What's good, YouTube? It's your man BG Tech Life. Today I'm gonna show you how to get some editing software for free. We know YouTube ain't cheap, review products ain't cheap, phones ain't cheap, dog food ain't cheap. So if free movie editing software interests you, you can try Windows Movie Maker. It's free on windowsmoviemaker.org. Windows Movie Maker was supported by Microsoft, then dropped, and you won't be able to find it on your newer PC. I found the download on windowsmoviemaker.org. This is just a tip for somebody new on YouTube that's using their cell phone to record videos and really don't have a way of editing or don't really want to pay for any serious editing software right now. I mean, Windows Movie Maker is clutch. You can render in 1080 HD, good quality for YouTube. You can do some different things, different transitions and different pans with your videos. So it's definitely something that you might want to try out for free to get your feet wet, to get your channel up, to get 4,000 hours of watch time or 1,000 subscribers. Definitely helped me out. Definitely was a crutch for me. This is your man BG. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, just go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. I'm out. Peace.